Congratulations on purchasing your Kidde alarm. This video will walk you through easy steps to install your hardwired or battery-operated detect alarm. Let's get started. Start by unboxing your Kidde alarm and mounting bracket and reviewing the included user guide. Before beginning installation, it's a good idea to mark the current date on your alarm so you know when it's time to replace it. Replacement date should always be 10 years from the current date. If the alarm you purchased is hardwired, begin by turning off the power to the circuit you're using. All Kidde alarms come with a mounting bracket. The A-line on the alarm mounting bracket should be parallel with the hallway or wall for aesthetic alignment. Pull the wire harness through the center hole in the mounting bracket. Then, secure the mounting bracket to the electrical box using the screws provided. Ensure the mounting screws are positioned in the small ends of the keyholes before tightening. Make sure not to over-tighten. If your alarm features AA batteries, ensure the battery door is closed and pull the tab to activate before installation. You'll hear a beep to confirm activation. If you don't hear the beep, remove batteries and reinstall them. Note that 10-year battery models do not have a pull tab. To ensure proper installation, check that the batteries are installed correctly and the battery door is securely closed. If your alarm isn't hardwired, you can skip ahead to Easy Twist and Click, where you see the battery icon. For hardwired alarms, connect the wires according to the user guide. Then, connect the wire harness to the alarm, making sure that the connector snaps into place. Push the excess wire back into the electrical box through the hole in the center of the mounting bracket. Twist and click the alarm into place on the mounting bracket by rotating clockwise until secure. If your alarm features a 10-year battery, the internal battery will self-activate with a confirmation beep when the alarm is secured to the mounting bracket. For 5-inch alarms, normal operation or standby is indicated by a steady green LED light for hardwired alarms and a flashing green LED light every 60 seconds for battery-operated alarms. Avoid potential false alarms by ensuring that the dust cover is secure until at least 24 hours after construction has been completed. Once construction is complete, remove the dust cover to begin operation. The alarm will not operate until the dust cover has been removed. Test your alarm weekly by pressing and releasing the center button. Since the alarm is very loud, you'll want to stand about 2.5 feet away or use ear protection. Now, go about your day knowing you have your home safety under control with Kidde and experience the power to protect.